So I finished the paint as far as I can go in the bus. So now I'm gonna crack on with tabletop. Started last night just to see how easy it would be to get the Laminex off, and it's pretty straightforward. So it's unfortunately I thought it might be plywood or even chipboard, which would be okay to sort of stain and varnish, but it's just MDF, so I can do a stain and varnish all in one to make it look semi-decent. Used to be the trend in, I think it was the 90s, to do MDF cupboards on absolutely everything and just have the raw MDF exposed and just clear coated. So I'll go with that option for the table. It'll definitely be better than this royal blue that's on here at the moment. So I'm going to strip that all off, and then I'm going to do the first coat of the base stand in copper rather than blue. So it'll just be a little bit groovier. Alright, get onto it then. Okay, so that's the Laminex off. Now I'm going to sand it, and because it's MDF you are supposed to wear respirators because it's carcinogenic stuff, but both my respirators are in the bus, so I'm going to just use a rag and hold my breath. So that'll be interesting. Okay, I'm going to have to go out the bus, so I might as well get my respirator while I'm out there, but I've got to go get some more sandpaper because this isn't barely even making a dent in it, so more sandpaper required. Alright, I'll be back. This is going to take ages even with the 80 grit, so I'll come back later when I've nearly finished to show you how it's going. Okay, oh lovely, lovely. It's coming along, it's taking much longer than expected, and I'm going to call it a night. I have to go to Bunnings tomorrow morning and get some more sandpaper, because this is just going through it like you wouldn't believe. Whatever the glue is that they use to glue the Laminex on is really, really hard to get off. The Laminex is easy to get off, but the glue itself is ridiculously hard. So this top section here, you can just see starting to come back to just raw MDF there. So I'm very hopeful that tomorrow I'll get that off and I'll be able to start clear coating it and getting it back in the bus. Did this last night and looking alright. That's just going to be underneath, so you won't actually ever see that. And I've also done the bracket and they've come up pretty good. So just finishing off the stand. So I've just finished doing the final coat on the arm of the table. So you can see the hammer finish coming along there quite nicely. So that's really good. And the fittings down there. And I'm almost finished sanding the glue off of the MDF. So I'm going to try and finish that tonight and give it a first coat of clear coat. So let's get on with it. Okay, all done. Now I'm just going to let the dust settle and I'll clear coat it tomorrow, I think, because I'm going to go watch the footy. See ya! Right, well, I've done 2 coats of clear coat on this already. I did that actually a couple of weeks ago. It's been a couple of weeks since I've done anything because I've just had my knee done, so I've been on the couch pretty much this whole last 2 weeks. So today I'm going to do another coat of clear coat and see how we go. Oh bugger, I've run out of paint. Okay, Courtney took me to the shop, bought some more clear coat, so here goes. And there you have it. We'll let that dry and hopefully it'll be good to put back in the bus. Yay! Next project is going to be the seats for the dinette. I've got to go get some fabric and stitch them up, so that's coming soon.